Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to freezing cold London, man. Yeah, so coming up right now is delivery of a very, very cool Lamborghini. I'm talking about the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ 63 edition, which was actually delivered at Lamborghini's Christmas party a few days ago. Yeah, roll the tape, man. What's happening, Paolo?
How are we doing, buddy?
You good?
Yes.
You got a nice surprise in there?
I should think so. You will be surprised.
I can't wait, mate. I cannot wait, man. All right.
Okay.
I'm ready when you are, man. All right, people, so you just spent 460K on a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. And then an SVJ 63 edition pulls up. You're like, what the hell? So what is the difference between the SVJ and the SVJ 63 edition? To be honest with you guys, man, not much. Everything is the same, mechanically speaking. So only difference is the paint job. So the SVJ 63 editions come in that kind of like goldy kind of color. And you get the 63 kind of like tattoo on your bonnet. That is it, that's the difference. So Lamborghini hasn't actually released the price of the 63 edition yet. And I'm guessing right now, I'm gonna bet right now, it's gonna be more than the regular SVJ, which costs £460,000 UK or sterling. I don't know how much that's in dollars, probably like 617K in dollars or something.
Very cool. Don't like the colour. I like the colour.
So, what do you guys think?
Oh, we love it.
Oh yeah? What's your favorite? This one.
Paulo, what's it going to forward?
On the car stands for 1963, the year that Ferruccio Lamborghini incorporated the Lamborghini company. So when Lamborghini was actually born, not Mr. Lamborghini himself, but when he actually formed the company. That's what it stands for. So all 63 editions come with a 63 on the bonnet. So the other guy in the regular Aventador SVJ will know that the guy with the 63's SVJ is actually better. That's pretty much it. So in case you missed my last video, people, check it out. There's gonna be a link here somewhere where you basically get to experience the loudest car I think I've ever heard in my entire life. In this case, a Lamborghini Urus STX. More about that in a separate video, but I think that's pretty much it. Catch you guys later. Remember to subscribe, share, and like and stuff like that. And I'll see you guys next video, man. Take it easy. I'm gonna go Starbucks right now and drink some hot stuff because it's cold.